So now let's see how we can reset current settings and manage custom program destinations from inside the recorder window right here. So here you can see that I already have my recorder window opened up, and over here if I were to change some settings right here, just like this, if I were to change some settings just like that right over here, I can go to edit and reset the current settings, and then it goes back onto the default setting for that particular window, as you can see right here. Reset current settings, and it goes back right here. Copy to clipboard is on, reset settings, it just disables that out. So that is how you can get back to the defaults for that particular tab. Another thing that you can do is select out a program that you want to open out certain file types with. So let's try it out with image right here. So the selection is region. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the share option right here. So for the share option, I'm going to go around into manage custom program destination, and here you can see that I can set out programs where I want from which I want to open up the screenshots from. So over here programs have been opened up, so I'm going to press plus right here, and then I'm going to rename this to Photoshop. So what I want it to do is I want the screenshot to be opened up with Photoshop each and every time I take it with Snagit. So I'm going to go over here. So output type image. So if output is an image, then the executable file should be Photoshop. So I have the shortcut of Photoshop here in desktop. So I can simply choose the shortcut and press open. And I'm going to press OK now. So over here, I'm going to select region itself. On the share option, now I can select Photoshop. And for this share option to work, the preview in editor should be turned off. So now what I can simply do is I can click on the capture button, and then I can click and drag it, and what happens is that it asks me where I want to save this. So on the desktop, I just want to save this as test right here and hit save. And now what happens is that it directly opens up that screenshot in Photoshop so that I can start working on it. And over here you can see that it has started in Photoshop. So now I can start and then edit this around according to what I like. So I'm like unlock the layers and edit this out as any other Photoshop document. So that is how you can reset settings and manage custom program destinations inside of Snagit. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.